So today we're going to look at an ice maker. Owner of the property says ice maker is damaging my cabinets. Most certainly is. We have the ice maker pulled out, sitting in the middle of the floor. We have a water line, we have a drain line, and we have a power cord. Water seems to be in the lower section over there of the bottom of the cabinet. And this is a Summit ice maker. Plugs in through the cabinet. It's supposed to drain through the floor drain. Currently, we have it pumping water and attempting to make ice. So, if you look in the back, you can see the water running across the cube trays. These things make crummy ice, by the way. And they sure make a lot of it, though. So we know it's not in the pump system itself. So we're going to look at the drainage system. The way these are set up is you have a hole in the bottom of the pan for any water here, hole in the bottom of the machine for any water there, come around the back. That water is supposed to go into this bucket, and if you look inside the bucket, you have two float switches. They go up and down. Now, when I take the float switch up, it's going to make the pump work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get some water and I'm going to fill this tank. Then I'm going to hit the float switches, watch it pump out, and see if I have any water leakage at the pump system. So we took a plastic water bottle and improvised a little bit. We're going to come around back here and we're going to try to carefully pour the water in there. We're going to do one more so that we have a substantial amount of water. I think that the pump is going to spray when we do this. So here we go. As I said, there's two float switches. Reach in and activate them. You can hear the water pumping out. Well, we're going to have to continue to investigate this because I don't see any water. We certainly have water damage, especially in that back corner. So, let's see what we can do.